If you're trying to decide between ClickFunnels and GoHighLevel to build and grow your business this year, you're about to make a very expensive mistake. Because most people comparing ClickFunnels and GoHighLevel are asking the wrong questions. It's not about which one has more features. It's about which one won't overwhelm you and kill your momentum. Because when you're already overwhelmed trying to grow an online business, the wrong software can stall you out before you even made your first dollar. So after doing multiple six figures in digital products selling on ClickFunnels and now completely rebuilding one of our brands on GoHighLevel, this is exactly what we learned. Let's break this down the right way. Before I get into anything, I want to be completely upfront with you because you deserve a real answer from someone who's actually using both of these tools in building real businesses. We built my wife Brittany's business, The Savvy Mama, on ClickFunnels about 5 years ago. Multiple six figures selling digital product sales. She was actually featured on Forbes recently. And we do not plan on moving this business from ClickFunnels. It's working perfectly fine and we're leaving it alone. But at the same time, we're completely rebuilding the Savvy Couple brand on GoHighLevel, and we're actually building our marketing agency on it as well. So this is not a theory video. This isn't me reading a comparison blog pretending to know what I'm talking about. We are actively using both ClickFunnels and GoHighLevel. We pay for both and we use them on a daily basis. And today I'm going to tell you exactly what we learned so that you can make the right call and the right decision for you right now. All right, real quick question before we dive in. Drop a comment below. Tell me if you're just starting your business, you have one, or you're trying to scale one. That'll help me give you the best advice possible. I read and respond to all of our comments. All right, let's get into it. Before I tell you which platform fits the different types of business models and the stages of business, let me quickly walk you through what you actually get with each one. Because when you look at it side by side, the picture gets super clear. And number one, let's talk about the funnel builder. Both platforms let you build funnels and landing pages. ClickFunnels and Russell Brunson have been laser focused on this since day one. It's super intuitive, it's clean, it's built specifically for getting funnels live as fast as possible. GoHighLevel also has a strong page builder and funnel builder, and it's more flexible in some ways, but there's slightly steeper learning curve in the front end. So here's my verdict. ClickFunnels is definitely easier right out the box from day one, but GoHighLevel is going to give you more flexibility long term. Number two, the CRM. This one is not even close. ClickFunnels does basic contact tracking. It'll tell you who opted in, who bought, but it's not a true CRM, a custom relationship management system. HighLevel has a full CRM built in. Sales, pipelines, lead stages, opportunity tracking, client level data. If you're managing relationships like a coaching business, a SaaS business, a marketing agency, and tracking leads is important for your business, GoHighLevel wins in this category hands down. And let's talk about automations. ClickFunnels handles email workflows very well. I love that it connects and syncs to Kit very easily and seamlessly, and it's super solid for basic sequences and funnel triggered automations. Now, GoHighLevel takes the automations to a different level. Email, SMS, conditional logic, pipeline trigger workflows. If you want to build a sophisticated automated system, HighLevel has significantly more power here. Email marketing. I want to be honest here because I think a lot of comparison videos gloss over this. Both platforms have email built in, but our personal preference for creator style businesses, people that are selling courses, digital products, guides, is actually ClickFunnels paired with Kit. That combo is super clean, it's smooth, and it's easy to manage. But GoHighLevel's built-in email does work well. For most of the simple creator style lists that we run, we prefer ClickFunnels and the Kit setup. That said, if you want everything all in one place and you don't want to connect separate email tools, HighLevel absolutely handles it. Let's talk about the all-in-one factor. ClickFunnels has funnels, courses, membership, but you're likely still stacking external tools like email, CRM, SMS. Where GoHighLevel is generally an all-in-one platform. It's got funnels, CRM, email, SMS, pipeline, white labeling, sub-accounts, and even SaaS mode where you can resell the platform white labeled. If having fewer tools to manage and log in and connect to each other is your goal, then HighLevel dominates this category. Let's talk about ease of use. ClickFunnels is definitely easier to learn very quickly. The user interface is clean, it's more focused, and there's less overwhelm when you're just trying to get something set up live. GoHighLevel has more tabs, more settings, more everything, which is powerful, but it does come with a real learning curve. And don't let anyone else tell you different. I would say I'm definitely not the most tech savvy guy. I was able to learn ClickFunnels within about a week, and HighLevel took, 2 to 3 weeks, maybe a month to really get a grasp on the software. All right, let's talk about agencies and SaaS companies. And this is a category where it's an absolute no-brainer. ClickFunnels was not built for marketing agencies, and it definitely wasn't built as a software company that you could resell. HighLevel was. Sub-accounts, white labeling, client building, SaaS mode. It's literally designed for this use case. So if you're building a marketing agency or a SaaS business, this is not even really a comparison. What type of business are you trying to build and what stage are you actually in? Here's the part where most comparison videos completely miss. It's not about the features. It's about the business you are trying to build and what stage you are in. Because the best tool in the world is completely useless if it overwhelms you into not doing anything. And I've seen that happen way too many times. Someone buys a powerful tool or a software, they get completely lost in trying to set it up and all the settings, and then 3 months later, they haven't even launched or sold anything. So let me walk you through the 2 types of business models and the stages and which platform is really going to give you an edge. And hey, real quick, if you're getting value from this video, go ahead and hit the like button and share it with a friend. And if you're interested in learning how to make money with AI, just comment free course below. I'll send you over our exact step-by-step system to help you start making money selling AI to local businesses. All of my scripts, my templates, my coaching, live bootcamp, and a live kickoff call, completely free. Just comment free course and I'll make sure to get it over to you. If you're working on building your first funnel ever to sell a digital product and you're not super technical, you're already overwhelmed just trying to figure out what to do, so ClickFunnels has a real edge. It's cleaner, it's faster to learn, and it's focused on the one thing that you need to do right now, which is get an offer in front of people and start making sales. And the way it integrates with Kit, which a lot of content creators use for email marketing, is very, very smooth. And I want to be fair here. GoHighLevel can absolutely work for beginners, but using GoHighLevel on day one is a little bit like buying an entire operating system for a business before you even know what the business is. There's so much capability baked in that it can actually pull your focus away from the one thing that matters the most in this stage, and that's launching. So you'd want to stay super focused on just the funnel builder and not worry about any of the other settings or features. If your goal is momentum, and honestly, momentum is pretty much everything when you're just starting out, ClickFunnels is extremely good at this. So let's talk about pricing real quick. They're actually both the same exact price for the starter plan, about $97 per month. HighLevel is going to give you all of their features included, plus 3 sub-accounts, which means you can create 3 different businesses within one main agency account. Whereas ClickFunnels, you're going to get one workspace to basically build out as many funnels as you want. And again, ClickFunnels is specifically designed for content creators that are selling digital products, having a membership or a course. So as far as pricing, they're pretty much the same, but you get far more features with GoHighLevel. Now, if you're already running a business, specifically a marketing agency or a SaaS, or you're managing multiple offers and you're tired of logging into 5 different tools, trying to get them all talk to each other, and you want everything in one place so that you can actually focus on growing instead of managing softwares, this is where HighLevel becomes extremely attractive. HighLevel isn't just a funnel builder. It's a business operating system. The CRM alone is worth it if you're managing any type of client relationships or a serious pipeline. The automation capabilities start to save you hours of time every single week. And again, if you're running any type of marketing agency or SaaS, like I mentioned earlier, there's absolutely no comparison in this. HighLevel was built exactly for that. The learning curve is real. But if you are at a stage where you are trying to build and scale a business long-term and not just make a few sales here and there and really build an operating system around your business that can do everything, HighLevel wins hands down. Taking the time to learn the platform and get set up long-term is going to pay off significantly. And here's my honest answer. The Savvy Mama is staying on ClickFunnels. That business is built, it's running, it's converting. There's zero reason to move it. If something's working, you leave it alone. But my SaaS company, Savvy Systems, and the Savvy Couple, this brand that you're watching right now, we're building it all on HighLevel because we wanted to scale this into a long-term multi-offer business with a real community, and we wanted real infrastructure to support that from day one. The CRM, the automations, the pipeline, it all matters at this level. So here's the mindset shift that made this click for us. Tools are a strategic decision, not identity statements. There's no loyalty badge for using one platform over the other. The question is always the same. What does this business need right now, and what tool serves that best? And that's the question I want you to walk away with and be able to answer in your own situation. All right, let's bring this home. If you want to launch fast, keep things simple, and start selling digital products without getting buried in software settings, ClickFunnels is a fantastic option. It does what it does extremely well, and it gets you moving. If you're building a long-term brand, a SaaS company, a marketing agency, and you want everything under one roof, and you don't want to duct tape 5 different tools together, then GoHighLevel is your answer, and it's by far the most powerful tool that I have come across over the last 10 years of doing online marketing. Because you're not just getting started to make a few sales. You're building real infrastructure and an operating system that you can use to scale for years. For us, we use both, and we do it strategically. We built multiple 6 figures on ClickFunnels, and now we're building our long-term infrastructure on GoHighLevel. Launch fast, scale smart. I'll link both platforms in the description below. No fluff, just the links you need. But here's the most important thing I'll say in the entire video. Don't spend the next 3 weeks comparing the softwares. Pick one that fits your business that you want to grow, commit to it, and start to move. Momentum beats perfection every single day. If this video helped you get some clarity, smash the like button. It generally helps our channel grow. And if you're building an online income for your family, subscribe, because that's exactly what we talk about every single week on The Savvy Couple. And if you want to deep dive into the HighLevel platform, just click this video here. It's a full in-depth HighLevel tutorial just for beginners, so you know exactly how the software works and what to expect so you can hit the ground running. I'll see you over there. Thanks for watching. God bless.